This is the Superwoman exercise. We are going to strengthen our lower back, and sometimes it's actually often missed and people skip it. It's small but mighty, but worth it. So we're gonna lay on our front just like this. Lay comfortably, make sure your face faces down. And then what we're going to do is put our arms out, feet out, extend those arms and those toes and make sure that you extend long. You're gonna look down and we're gonna slowly reach up, hovering about 3 to 4, maybe 5 inches off the ground, and release. You're gonna hover, bring it up and squeeze, and release. Now, what you don't wanna do is come up too far, and what you don't wanna do is actually do it too fast. This is not the exercise. You really wanna focus on building this right here on the back. Okay, this is our lumbar area. So come down, bring it up, squeeze, squeeze the glutes, squeeze, and release. It's all about squeezing the glutes, but you're able to build a nice, strong lower back. And this is what we call Superwoman.